Hello family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a nice simple and Fulani braid. If you love to see how I achieve this beautiful look, then keep watching this video to the end, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing, I went ahead and divided our hair into two, as you can see, and I'm going to braid the one in the back, going all in the back, and that's where I'm going to be doing the weave. And in the front is going to be cornrow. So just watch me. It's very simple, and you're going to see everything that I'm doing on this hair. Like I said, it's very simple, so just keep watching till the end and you're going to see how this beautiful look turn out. After sewing the weave, now I'm going to cover the ends of the weave with her hair. Since her hair is a little bit on the thinner side, I'm going to be leaving just a little bit of her hair, and now I'm going to use my styling wax to apply on it before I straighten it. I'm using shining jam to cornrow the hair with it, and I'm not going to be braiding this hair too tight, guys. So you want to make sure you're not cornrowing your client's hair or your hair tight. That way you're not going to lose your edges, and you're not going to lose no strand of your hair as well. So that's the way I'm going to be cornrowing my client's hair today. And in the front, that's going to be the baby hair. So all the shorter part in the front, we are going to be leaving it out and use it for the baby hair. So I'm done with the cornrow. Now I'm going to apply her hair jewelries and lay her baby hair as well, tie it down and let it to dry and wait for the end result, guys. And this is the final look of this beautiful hairstyle, guys. It looks so good on my client. I actually really love this hairstyle, guys. If you know you love it, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.